Hello everyone, welcome to Java Solutions. In this video, I will show how to use JXPath to query complex tree objects. JXPath is a object query tool. It is a Apache Commons component that enables you to query complex tree objects using well-known XPath query language. For this example, I have created a complex tree object called company, which is having multiple departments and each department is having multiple employees. And the name of the company is Java Solutions, and it is having two departments. One is sales and finance. Each department is having multiple employees. So now I will show how to use JXPath to query this object to retrieve required data. So I have created my company object. After that, I'm going to create JXPath context. By passing this company object, this is the starting point for JXPath. Now I will show how to execute query using JXPath context. I am calling getValue. To this method I am passing XPath query. I am passing just dot symbol. That means it will refer the root object of the context. In this case, root object is nothing but a company. Now I am planning to print the name of the company. Let's see what will happen. It is printing the company name. Like this, we can query the objects using JXPath. Now I want to show the department names of company. For this, I am using iterate method. For this method, I am passing XPath departments. This will return iterator object and whose type is department. Now I am printing the name of the departments. So it prints the name of the department, sales and finance. Now I want to fetch the employee whose name is John. How to do it? Let's see. JXPath context.getValue. Here I need to pass the XPath query, right? Departments name equal to John. Now I print the name of the employee. Dot get name along with his age. Let's see what will happen. See, it prints his name and age. So here I have hard coded my query, right? Now I want to show how to use dynamic query, like how to use a parameterized query in JXPath. For this we need to declare required parameters. Get variables dot declare. I want to declare variable called name, and its value is John. Now I am using this name in my query like this. Dollar of name. Let's execute this thing. Yes, it's got executed and printed the name and age. Now I want to retrieve the employees whose age is greater than 20 and salary is less than 30,000. For that I am going to create new variable called age. Integer of 20, and one more variable I am creating salary greater than 15,000. So here I have to change this condition, right? Age greater than age and salary less than salary. I will give 35,000, not 15,000. So since it will return multiple records, right? So then I have to use iterate. It will return iterator of type employee VTE VTE dot has next. ITE dot next dot name next dot age. Let me execute this one. So there are 3 employees whose age is greater than 20 and his salary is less than 35. Like this we can use JXPath to query complex tree object. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.